There's a froggy.
This is the RC Jet Jock. Oh, I just broke it. Hey guys, Jet Jock here. Last week was really hectic. We had a little bit of livestock issues, which we had to call in reinforcements. So stay tuned for that next week. We're going to share the whole experience. Don't worry, there's a lot of airplanes involved. But today, the guy that actually came out and helped us with finding our livestock did some aerial shots of the Bighorn. So we're going to share that with you this week. Enjoy. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed those aerial shots of our Bighorn, and a huge shout out to my buddy who made that possible and also helped us with our livestock. Stay tuned to next week. Trust me, it's a wild ride, right? Yep. So please get your families involved, get new people into the hobby, and take it away, Chicken Girl.
Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.